Shall we begin?
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a 2 net carb really tasty keto drink, and it's very simple, few ingredients, so stick around. Here we go. Okay, so we will need the Zevia, the ginger root beer, and it has really clean ingredients. There's only a few. It's made with stevia, so I think it's totally okay to have it on keto. I have been having it and I haven't had any problems with it. So, but again, you could be your own judge. So. Okay, and the next thing we would need is some whipped cream. And the one I use is the heavy cream, the whipping cream. And the next ingredient will need some type of keto-approved milk. In this case, I'm going to use the unsweetened almond vanilla milk that I got from Costco, I believe.
This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill.
And I don't usually do any measurements, so what I do is just kind of eyeball it. So I'm gonna, just take, I would say maybe half a can of Zevia root beer in there, and maybe a cup or so of the milk. And we will need some type of keto sugar. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use the maple syrup. That's the one I could find at the moment. But again, any type of keto sugar would work. Again, I would say maybe a tablespoon. But it depends on how sweet you like it. You can use it on your own preferences. And now I'm gonna just, again, all these ingredients, just put it all together and in the blender for like maybe a minute or so, even less, just as long as it's all mixed in. And I'm gonna grab a cup to pour it on. I wouldn't really call it root beer float because, again, it doesn't have as much like, regular root beer float would have ice cream and all that. But what I do is I just add the whipped cream in it. So kind of like having a root beer float, but again, I would just call it keto 2 net carb and like super tasty drink. You have to try it. It really takes a few minutes to make. It's a few simple ingredients and it is so worth it, especially if you've been on the keto diet for a while. It's really good. All right, so time to do some taste sample. So I just took a spoon, just kind of mix it all in, and here we go. Gonna have a sip. So good, really tasty. You gotta try it, must try it. So try, and let me know how you like it. Put some comments. Thanks, and please do subscribe.